Matter and energy are neither created nor destroyed. Rather, they change forms as they move through organisms and ecosystems. Think about the Earth or the biosphere as a big recycling center. In a recycling center, the objects that you send to it are broken down and then turned into a form that can be used to make new objects. Decomposers and detritivores play a similar role as a recycling center in the ecosystem. Think about what are the food sources of decomposers and detritivores. Both of these groups of organisms feed on dead organic material. Which machine in the image might represent a decomposer? The machine on the left is breaking down the structure into smaller components. Decomposition releases nutrients that can be used by primary producers. The object or the machine on the right represents the primary producer. The individual blocks in this analogy, the Legos, are representative of nutrients. So the decomposer breaks down dead material into its nutrients, releases those nutrients often into the soil, and then primary producers will absorb those nutrients to construct more organic material, more, if we're talking about soil, more plants or more algae. What would happen if decomposers were absent from an ecosystem? Well, usually people say, well, all the dead stuff would pile up, and that's true. But not only would the dead stuff pile up, the nutrients would not be released from dead and decaying matter. So there might not be enough nutrients to support the primary producers in an ecosystem. Decomposers play a very important role in every food web or food chain.